Psalm 47. A psalm of praise for the sons of Korah on the second day of the week. Great is the Lord, and greatly to be praised in the city of our God, in his holy mountain. The city of the great King is well planted on the mountains of Sion, with the joy of the whole earth, on the sides of the north. God is known in her palaces, when he undertakes to help her. For, behold, the kings of the earth were assembled, they came together. They saw, and so they wondered, they were troubled, they were moved. Trembling took hold on them, there were the pangs as of a woman in travail. You will break the ships of Tharsis with a vehement wind. As we have heard, so have we also seen, in the city of the Lord of hosts, in the city of our God, God has founded it forever. Pause. We have thought of your mercy, O God, in the midst of your people. According to your name, O God, so is also your praise to the ends of the earth. Your right hand is full of righteousness. Let Mount Sion rejoice, let the daughters of Judea exult, because of your judgments, O Lord. Go round about Sion, and encompass her, tell you her towers. Mark you well her strength, and observe her palaces, that you may tell the next generation. For this is our God forever and ever, he will be our guide.